Hi, I'm Cassandra Fultz from Doherty Fultz Immigration Consultants. Our office receives numerous emails from people regularly, several times a month, who've been victims of immigration fraud, and it's always a sad story. People have lost money, people have had immigration applications submitted with incorrect information, without their consent. It really can be a disaster. So you want to make sure that you protect yourself. Who is allowed to call themselves an immigration consultant, an RCIC, a regulated Canadian immigration consultant? This is delineated by law in Canada. Not just anyone can use these credentials and say that they're a member of the College of Canadian Immigration and Citizenship Consultants. So, if you see someone using credentials that are not RCIC or an immigration lawyer, they're likely a fake, fraudulent consultant. It's absolutely against Canadian federal law for someone to take money to do work on an immigration application if they're not licensed either as a regulated Canadian immigration consultant or a lawyer. What you need to look out for are people who use words like migration consultant, migration agent, any kind of agent whatsoever, then they're most likely not licensed. Another way that you can tell that an immigration consultant is likely fake is if they contact you on WhatsApp. Doing business over WhatsApp is very common in lots of parts of the world, but it is not common in Canada. And it's super unlikely that someone communicating with you over WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger is legitimate if they're trying to get your money. What you need to do is if someone is contacting you over WhatsApp, then you need to take the next step and actually look to see, does this person have a license? You can actually check on the College of Immigration Consultants of Canada website to see if they're licensed, or if they're saying that they're a lawyer, you can check with the Law Society of the province where they're registered. All of this is available online for free. All you have to do is type in their name and make sure that this person, number one, exists, and number two, actually has a license in good standing. The next step is make sure that that is the person you are actually speaking with, right? They'll go on WhatsApp, they'll go on Facebook, they'll post a picture of a passport and say, yep, that's me, this is my passport, that's how you know that I'm legitimate. Let me tell you something. Nobody in Canada is gonna send their passport. If somebody even sends you a copy of a Canadian passport, you know that person is not real. Go to their website, send them an email, or give them a call and say, hey, I've got a WhatsApp message from this person. They're asking for money. Can you confirm if this is legitimate? And I can tell you, when people send these emails to me, I'm so happy to receive them. I'm like, this is great. Thanks for contacting us. No, this is absolutely not legitimate. Don't give this person a penny. And the client is very happy because now they know and they've saved themselves thousands of dollars so that they're not losing their savings by having sent money to a scam. It's so easy to fall victim to this. The fake consultants have very sophisticated tactics, and you want to make sure you do everything possible to protect yourself. So whatever happens, don't feel embarrassed to seek legal help if you feel like something might be a scam. If your spidey sense is tingling and you feel a little bit uncomfortable, honestly, trust your gut. If someone double-checked with me to make sure I'm real, there's no problem with that. Why? Because I'm real. Okay, so it's easy to show, yep, here I am on the college. Yep, you can see that my business has been registered for 8 years with the province of Ontario. It's not a problem at all. And someone who is not scamming you will not have any problem confirming that this is the case. If you ask for more information to prove the legitimacy of their operation and they start getting cagey, that should be the red flag so that you know, don't give this person your money. So if you find that you may have been the victim of an immigration scam or immigration fraud, don't hesitate to contact the college, okay? The College of Canadian Immigration Consultants, they actually allow you to file a complaint. You submit your complaint, you submit your information online, and they'll contact you. They'll get more information. And if they find that the law has been broken, because don't forget that it's a federal crime in Canada for someone to take money for immigration work if they're not licensed. If the college finds that someone has done this, they will get the RCMP involved, and they can actually even prosecute this person even if they're not inside Canada. One other thing to look out for when you're looking for an immigration consultant, to make sure that someone is not only not a fake consultant, not committing a scam or immigration fraud, but just to make sure that they're above board and they're following the rules. No licensed immigration consultant is able to engage in what's called contingency billing, meaning that you only pay if the application is approved, or if the application gets refused, you get a full or a partial refund. This is totally illegal. We're not allowed to do this at all. And any immigration consultant who's actually interested in keeping their license and following the rules of the college, as we must do, is never going to offer this. So if someone offers contingency billing, only paying if the application is approved or giving a refund if it's refused, if someone offers this, there's no way that they're legitimate. So these are some quick tips on how you can avoid immigration scams. There's more information on our website for how to spot fake consultants, how to avoid being the victim of an immigration fraud or scam. Just check the website, read the information there, and if you're ever not sure, if you're ever talking to someone who's saying that they're an immigration consultant, go Google that consultant, find their actual contact information, and send information to them. Ask for an update. Make sure that this is the person that you're actually speaking with before you pay any money. And that will help you avoid losing any money in the future.